Alright guys, so just recently we've gone into bow hunting.
Yep.
And we got in contact with two pretty cool kids and we got to go hunting with them on an awesome property.
Yeah, and that was really cool. And we actually managed to shoot 2 rabbits.
I got them!
Take them back home and cook them on the kitchen and shot. We get and
Whoa!
and cook them at the kitchen on a spit.
Whoa!
And that tasted really good.
Oh, ribcage.
So sit back and enjoy the video, and yeah. Bushfire over there. Right, so what are we doing?
That little peak there. There's a few rabbits from. Otherwise we'll just have a clock score over the side or something.
Nice chat, bro. Right guys, Sam, Ivan, Nick and I are finally going rabbit hunting up in the mountains in winter, and we thought we'd shoot a few and take them home to cook up for lunch because, well, one, they're a massive problem, they've been introduced, they're multiplying by the second, and they're causing so much damage to the farms and wildlife of Australia. And two, well, they taste bloody delicious. So we didn't have much luck during the day, but at night time we got the torches out and we spotted our first rabbit close enough to shoot. So Nick went for the shot. And missed by a mile. And again. And again. And again. And then finally, out of nowhere, a rabbit just comes right out into the open, just asking to be shot, giving Nick one hell of an easy shot. You just could not miss this one. This was it. This was the one. And he missed again. And again. Until it actually started getting really embarrassing.
I just can't hit it.
Just hit it.
It's right there. Oh, I got him.
You got him? Grab him, quick. Just chase him.
Oh, shit.
I got him. You got him. Get him. He's there. Man down. Smack my knee.
Oh, there he is.
Yep. Wait, give me a torch. I can go.
Oh, there he is.
Wait, just grab him there.
He jumped in my face. Get him, baby. Drop the arrow.
Get him. Keep filming. Oh.
Okay.
Grab him. Jab him.
Got him.
Yeah. I got him. Okay. Yep, I got him. Everybody's back, please. Right. We got him. Hold tight. Oh, Sam's got him. Nice.
I
you-
climbed in
Yeah.
and I was looking around and then I just turned and his head was right there and it just jumped in my face and I was like,
Alright, so we started heading back home with a rabbit in the back, and then we spotted a rabbit just run right in front of the car. I got my bow and arrow out, and then I shot the rabbit straight through its clacker and right through the heart. And guess what? No one filmed it. Because everyone was actually so retarded at filming, they just could not just film me shooting the rabbit. And so yeah, we actually have no footage of it. No one actually decided to just film me shoot the rabbit, or even just holding a bow and arrow. There we go. I don't know how we're gonna split this bad boy.
Just don't kill yourself. Yes!
There's
Right.
some good pieces.
Cool.
Alright,
Oh.
2 rabbits on the table.
Okay.
Nice.
Ooh.
Whoop.
So
Slippery.
they're yeah, we managed to get them home without them going rotten, so we'll be able to cook them.
Hopefully.
Yeah, so
Now what we've done, we've just taken the fur off. Like that, and it should all just come out.
Perfect.
We've gutted it.
Because
Oh,
I
it's
don't.
hard to touch. Oh.
No, we're not going to film this. Hang on.
And we just gave it a good clean. And now it's ready to put our ingredients on.
We'll just do a spit roast
Yep.
with the table.
Yeah, the table.
Yeah, so we just came down here. You know, we're just gonna come down, cook some sausages because we're bored. And yeah, some druggos just destroyed our whole kitchen, just smashed the table. You know, there was just drugs and everything just all
Yeah.
around the place. So had to give it a good clean. But we've got this good door.
Nice and
So
sturdy.
Yeah, it should be good.
Yep.
So anyway, yeah. So we got some wine here.
Yep.
Wine and rabbit apparently is really good. But
Yeah.
you know, I can't get pissed today because I'm going to work this off. So
Right.
some minced garlic, oil.
Yep.
And wine. And then yeah, just some salt and we found this cool bush spice stuff.
Yeah, okay.
It's just, you know, got heaps of just random stuff in it, so we'll put that on. And yeah.
Butter.
Good
There you go.
stuff.
There's yours.
Thank you.
Here's mine.
Awesome.
We'll chuck the rabbits on and get cooking. I reckon straight through its butthole and out through its mouth.
But it needs to just go through a leg or something.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
And out she pops.
Oh.
Cool.
Should come out pretty easy.
Nice. Yum.
Oh, that's going in the butter. Put this stuff on. Oh, smell that. I just reckon this is just gonna fall off straight off there. And now for the bush spice. Oh no!
What?
It's wet.
What?
We're back in action, baby.
Nice.
Yeah, there's heaps for you.
Cool. I think you put a bit too much on.
Yeah, I did. Look, there's barely any left.
Mate, you've used it all.
Shit. Oh.
You idiot.
All right, let's.
You just used all the spice.
No, there's heaps. Look, there's heaps.
There's not heaps.
Caleb,
It's
look,
empty.
You wipe up all that. With
Yeah,
your
you
rabbit.
wipe it up and put it on your rabbit.
Alice can both sit
Cool.
next to each other.
Nice.
Oh.
Yum. Well done.
Whoa! You can really see which rabbit looks better.
The one with more bush spice on it.
Whoa! You sure about all that? Yeah, so apparently if you can put your hand where the rabbit is for 2 seconds with it, and then like, you know, it burns your hand, that's like perfect temperature for cooking your rabbit, so.
Yep. Whoa.
That's perfect.
This will get the fire cranking. Whoa! For some reason the fire lost a bit of heat, so we just grabbed the rabbits and just roasted them over the fire by hand.
Smells good.
Wait. Back off.
Yours isn't looking too bad. I mean, like, it doesn't look as good as mine, but it looks alright.
Yeah. So we've been waiting for the butter to melt a bit, and it's pretty melted, so now we're gonna just smear it on our rabbits.
Don't, you're scratching all my flavouring off,
Sorry.
you bastard. Oh, I can't see the smoke.
Ah, my eyes.
Caleb,
Okay, I got it.
I gotta drop it.
This potentially will be the nicest thing we've ever eaten. Or it could be the worst thing we've ever eaten because it's probably just gonna snap off and fall in the coals. Like everything always does.
So you perfectly put butter on yours and you put one blob in the middle of mine. Oh, no!
Oh no, you idiot. That was like all of our butter. First the bush spice and then the butter.
Go in there, go in there. Yes! Oh yeah. Like, that actually looked nice to eat.
Yeah. It's weird, eh?
Oh yeah, just put some on. Yep.
Whoa.
Oh, you idiot.
You moved it.
Just give me the bowl.
Hang on a sec.
Just give me the bowl.
Whoa.
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 Yum.
Oh, look at the meat like coming off the leg.
Do we take them out?
Yep, we should.
All right, the rabbits are ready.
I'm not eating it.
Yum. So the rabbit is cooked.
Whoa.
Ready?
Right. I guess
First
we
bite.
just keep it on the spit and...
Yep. Oh my.
Dude.
That is so good.
And I haven't actually bitten into the meat.
I have. Bite into it. It's so good. It's delicious.
Ah. The back straps are great. Oh, ribcage. Ooh.
Oh man.
Can you explain what it tastes like? It's kind of hard.
It feels like you're eating chicken, but it doesn't actually taste like chicken. It tastes like rabbit. It's, you know,
Yeah.
it's just something you have to try and taste to understand what it tastes like, you know.
Oh, yuck.
What?
Look at this butthole.
Oh, don't eat that.
What's eating around that?
The skin is like the most delicious part. Seriously, we really have to thank Ivan and Sam for letting us on that property, because without them, we wouldn't have been able to do this.
If you want to see his videos, he's got a pretty good hunting channel. You can find the link just below. We'll put it in the description.
And yeah, subscribe and check out his channel. He's got some pretty good videos. But yeah, we'll just finish up these rabbits, and yeah, we got a few more videos coming, so stay tuned for those.
Yes.
This rabbit is like so delicious. Right, look, we get it. We forgot the damn lemon again, all right? But if you want a damn lemon, there's your damn lemon.